Deck the halls this Christmas with a garden house. Create a winter wonderland in your home with the Parque Green artificial tree. This tree is suitable for every home, available in a 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 foot, and also a 7-foot slim version for those looking to conserve space. This is a very traditional tree with a mix of branch styles. The colour of the foliage is a shade of green which is very versatile and suits all styles and colours of decor. Hinged branches make for simple assembly, and fluffing the branches as you go results in a lovely full presentation. Made with durable materials and a sturdy frame, our trees are intended to bring Christmas joy to your home year after year. Finish off your tree with magical twinkly lights and your favourite baubles and bows. Our trees are available for nationwide delivery, T's and C's may apply.